Daddy went and got your candy out of the car. He's gonna bring it up. There it is.
Stay in the chair.
Stay there. Up. Sit right there.
Your candy was so good.
Whoa, no,
I had a little bit on the way. Was that okay that I had some? I'm sorry.
Mommy, whoa.
What is that?
Mommy.
I ate your candy. I'm sorry. Is that okay?
Daddy ate all your candy?
I'm okay.
Next year, we'll go trick-or-treating next year. 364 more days. Okay? Is this your candy?
Yeah.
Why don't you put all your candy and count them and put them in there?